Hi everyone, welcome to Speakday. Today, we'll explore how to order coffee naturally in English. You'll hear a real conversation, learn some advanced phrases, and practice using them at the end.
Ordering coffee in English. Morning, it's pouring outside. Perfect day for a coffee.
You're absolutely right. A hot drink can fix almost anything on days like this. What can I get started for you?
I was wondering if you still have the seasonal pumpkin latte.
We do. It's actually one of our best sellers this month.
Perfect. Could I get a medium one with oat milk, please? Oh, and no sugar.
Of course. Would you like any pastries to go with it?
What would you recommend?
The almond croissants are quite popular, flaky and not too sweet.
Sounds tempting. Actually, make that too. I skipped breakfast this morning.
That'll be $9.50 altogether.
Here you go. Do you mind if I take a seat near the window?
Not at all. Feel free. It's the best spot in the house. Nice view and plenty of light.
Great, thanks. By the way, it smells amazing in here.
Yeah, we just baked a fresh batch of muffins.
Oh no, you're making it hard to resist. Maybe next time.
Deal. I'll save one for you. Enjoy your drink.
Thanks a lot. Have a good one.
Let's review a few phrases from that talk. I was wondering if... A polite way to make a request. Sounds tempting. Use this when something looks or sounds good to you. You're making it hard to resist. Means, you're convincing me to do it. Have a good one. Casual way to say goodbye in daily life. Fix almost anything. Idiomatic use for comfort or relief. These are all natural phrases that native speakers often use, but textbooks rarely teach. Now it's your turn. Imagine you're at a cafe with a friend. Order your drink and use at least 2 of today's new phrases in your conversation. You have 1 minute, and you can pause the video if you need more time. Well done! You've just learned some natural English phrases you can use every day. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more real English videos. And join Speakday Conversation Club for real one-on-one speaking sessions with people around the world.